you could control the web with just your hand. No clicking, no typing, and just hold up a gesture and boom, you're redirected to any page on the internet. I just built a program that does exactly that. And trust me, it's futuristic as it sounds. Today I'll be showing you how I built this real-time gesture recognition system that detects your fingers instantly and how I turned it into an automatic website navigator. Okay, story time. It all started when I was too lazy to click through tabs while coding. My hands were literally covered with Cheeto dust. I know, and so I thought, what if I could just point and my laptop knew where I wanted to go? That's when I discovered MediaPipe Hands, a machine learning framework by Google that can track all 21 hand landmarks in real time using your webcam. I saw potential and I decided to build a tool that turns gestures into live navigation commands. Most gesture systems either require physical sensors or awkward gloves, or they're just super laggy. I just wanted to create something simple, web-based, and most importantly, hands-free. So I came up with this concept. Use just the number of fingers you hold up. Detect it using the webcam. Auto-navigate to the website depending on your gesture. No buttons, no voice, no touch, just your hand. Alright, so let's launch it. First, we can click on Start Camera over here. And following that, we will see a large green skeleton overlay of my hands, and these lines and dots are MediaPipe's live detection of all the 21 hand points. So as you can see over here, if I hold finger number 1, the system recognizes it, and you'll see a live indicator at the bottom showing number 1 over here. Following that, if I change it to 2 fingers, here there's an instant update. So the model is detecting each extended finger by calculating the angle between the joints, and if the finger is upright, it is counted. So let's break this down technically and see how I built it. Over here I used MediaPipe Hands via TensorFlow.js for browser-based performance, and the canvas overlays the video feed and draws the skeleton. For each frame, I calculate how many fingers are extended using joint geometry, and if a gesture is held for 2 seconds, the system automatically navigates to a URL mapped to that number. For example, over here if it's 1, then we go to YouTube, and then if it's 2, we go to Instagram, and if it's 3, we go to Twitter, and so on. So it's basically a custom hands-free router. Now here's the cool part, automatic confirmation. So if I hold 2 fingers up, or even 1, and I keep it steady for 2 seconds, then boom, it redirects me to YouTube. And there's no button clicks, no voice inputs, no mouse, and it's all gesture based. There's even a countdown indicator so you know how long you hold your gesture for. It wasn't all smooth. The hardest part was preventing accidental navigation. The early versions were chaotic, so I built a 2-second confirmation timer plus the stability tracking so that it only activates when your hand stays steady. The other challenges also included dealing with bad lighting, optimizing with left or right hand users, and also making the UI look clean and showing real-time feedback. But the breakthroughs were satisfying. This goes beyond just being a fun project. Imagine touchless navigation in hospitals or labs, accessibility tools for people with physical disabilities, or even smart home control systems where gestures can open apps or control lights, and even interactive kiosks or museum exhibits where people don't need to touch anything. The possibilities are endless when the interface is your hand. Let me do one final test. Here I'm going to be holding up 5 fingers. As you can see, that's it. It's smooth, instant, and hands-free. If you want to try this out, let me know. What websites would you assign your gestures to? And what other features should I add? Drop your ideas in the comments and I'm going to read them all. And if you think this is cool, share it with a friend who also likes it. If you guys enjoyed the video, please hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see more futuristic and fun projects. This is one of the most fun and useful projects that I've ever built. And I'll see you guys in the next video.